Alright, welcome to my channel. Today is about creating menus and pages in WordPress, and please, this is for a localized WordPress application. Alright, so right now I'm going to local Dixie, then up to SAM. Remember, we pasted the WordPress inside the htdocs. Okay, and this is a WordPress folder here, but now we need to run the XAMPP control. So back to XAMPP, scroll down and running XAMPP control right here. It's coming up very quickly. So now what we need now is to run both sides, the Apache and the MySQL, and we have everything ready to go. Okay, so let's move on very quickly, just a minute. Let's move also admin and to load where we need to see. It's coming up. Alright, so this is the Apache dashboard. So now what we need now to run our localized WordPress is to go to the site. So put localhost/WordPress, which is our folder name, WordPress /wp-admin, where we can log in now. So it should bring it to load the login area where we can access our WordPress administrator section. Alright, now so we can log in now, and the last time we used this username and we used the password. So then login is coming up. Okay, so this is what we have here. Alright, so what the next thing we need to do now is to view the default website. So let's right click here and open a new tab, and we can see the default themes that we had there the last time. Just in case you are not following or you're not following the beginning of this teaching, you can go to my previous video or you go to my playlist and you see where I have a playlist for WordPress, and you can try to follow everything as required. So we want to make use of these themes and create our own. But what I want to do today is to show us how to create pages and menus like what you have now. Alright, so now let's try to clear everything we have here, and we can start creating our menus, then our pages. So we are going back to the dashboard. We can scroll down to the first place that we have here that we need to see. It's called the page. We can just come down to this customize. I want to customize a few things, and it's coming up. Still loading. Alright, so now let's try to clear everything that we have here. We can try to adjust everything that is needed to be adjusted rather. So first of all, let's go back to this area and let's click on the page. So I made a mistake. I wanted it to okay, any which way. You see there, and let's clear everything we have there. This is the page we have. That's the first page. We can try to select it, and okay, let's just see first. Let's see what we can do here now. Let's see, just a minute. To clear everything we have here. Okay. Can go back here now. Can clear everything. Move to trash. Apply. It's meant to go off now. Okay. So let's run it again. Let's see how it's going to look like. Alright, so this is what I wanted at the beginning. Okay, so we can rearrange everything. So we've cleared the page. So what we can do now is to work on these menus. So for the menus, go back to your dashboard area. That's the dashboard area, and we can locate what I call the customize. So right click, open a new tab. That's the customize is coming up. Alright, so now let's try to rearrange everything. So now we go to a part called menus. Click on menus. We can choose what is called the off canvas menu. You can select it, or primary either of them that you like. You can try to rearrange them. So this there's a difference here. This can be turned on. That's if you are trying to make your own. We can use the previous one that you have here. Just select this first one, and we can try to rearrange everything back the way it should be. So we can delete it or create our own if we want to. So I'll just click here and I can delete. I can remove it if I want to. Just remove. It's gonna go out now. Just remove and remove everything. Just remove them, just like that. Remove, and I can also remove. Just a minute. Make sure we know what we are doing, and we can just remove it, just like that. So that is for that one. So now we can try to remove it too. So we can add our own. So we can add items. So we can add, and that will be adding a new page. That's the way it is, to add a new page. So we come to home. We can add. So coming up. Alright, then the next one now, about, as the about page menu. It's coming up too. Then also we need to home about, and let's say contacts for now. Just contacts, and the last one, service, something like that. So click on add. That's for that one. Alright, so now publish. We have to always publish all the time. So publish, and you see it looking just along the side. So go back to still publishing, still publishing, still coming up, still publishing. Alright, so it is publishing. Now the next thing I want us to do now is for us to preview it. So go back here, refresh, and you'll see a new menu. You can see those are the new menus that we have right here. A new menu that we can work on as we like. So that is for that one. Alright, now let me show us how to edit this. You can go back here and let's try to edit this. So let's click on it now. You can select it. That's the custom method. Select it. You can try to adjust to remove it. You can take it off, remove it right now. It is off. Okay, and we can set this as a title of it. That's this one that we have here, and we can make it visible to all. That's set the visibility for all screen sizes. So we'll set the visibility for all, and that's for that one. Then we can publish it as we like. So it's publishing now. It's coming up. So guys, this is how you can do a lot. Alright, so the next thing now, if you observe it, we are not seeing it because it is a bit slow, or the color is different. So what we can do now is to, because if we go back to the preview of the website, it is visible here. Okay, it's very visible here. You can see it's quite visible here, but the color is not white as expected. So we can go back to the customize again, and let's try to select it again. Then under the design, the title color, let's see, that's a normal over. So select the normal, then we can choose a white color for it, something very white, just like that, and that's for that one. And we can publish it. Let's see how it's going to look like. So okay, let's refresh. So that's it. So it's visible now. So that is for that one. So this is how you can create menus, and later I'll show us how we can create menus just like that. And let's see for the page. If you go to the page now, let's try to refresh this area. Let's see, just refresh this area. Yes, so through creating the menu, we have several pages already that we can try to work with. So we have a lot of them like that. You can try to work with each of them. So this is how to create a page and a menu on WordPress. Okay. So that is for that one. Thank you. Subscribe, share my